Hi everyone, today I will be going into great detail about what you should do with your new Lux Beauty Essentials wig once you've unboxed her. Now the first thing I recommend is to clip away any flyaway hairs or baby hairs, basically the whole front of the wig where you will be cutting the lace. This was a 7x7 closure wig, so I'm only cutting the lace in that area. This is super easy to do and can be done with any sharp scissors. And the aim of the game here is to just cut away any part of the lace that doesn't have hair on it. So basically, just where the hairline starts, you're cutting away all of that lace. I'm cutting the lace in a zigzag downwards upwards motion. So when you're slowly cutting that area, you're just dragging the scissors down, so it's like an effortless zigzag motion. The key here is to only cut away the lace that doesn't have hair on it, and it's always better to cut less lace compared to too much lace. Also, if you end up cutting too little lace, you can always go back in and clip away any extra pieces of lace. Now, if you look at the part of lace that I've cut off, you can see that zigzag motion on it. So this is how your wig should look once you've cut the lace. And it is now time to place the wig on your head. So now I'm going to demonstrate the easiest method to do so you can apply your wig without any glue. Every Lux Beauty Essentials wigs comes with this adjustable band inside. So this is what helps the wig stay on your head without any glue. Now the easy method for applying your wig is to make sure that the lace part of the wig, which is near the front, is placed on your forehead, and then you pull the adjustable band and place it on your nape neck area. Once that's secured, you pull the back of the wig all the way down so it basically covers the adjustable strap, and then you flip the wig over. Now this is the part where you adjust your wig accordingly. So get that parting in the right place, make sure your wig is sitting on your head comfortably, and just work with the hair to get it to sit where you want it to sit. Now this is the true definition of a glueless wig, and the reason why it's glueless is because no glue has been applied to make this wig sit on your head comfortably. It's also sitting very secure and doesn't feel like it's going to slip or move off my head. Now here I'm just showing you a part of the lace that I want to cover and tint so it matches my complexion better. I'm using a lace tint spray that I designed, and I'm using it in the lightest shade. I sprayed a little on my hand just to show you how it looks, and the way I like to apply it is just by dabbing my finger on it and placing it along the hairline. It can of course be applied to all over the lace inside the cap, but I chose to just apply it on the hairline because that is the part that I want to look the most natural on my wig. This method only applies for clients that have deeper complexions compared to the lace. If your skin already matches the lace after you've cut it and applied it, then this step is not needed. Another alternative to lace tint spray is to use makeup that matches your complexion, but that is totally your preference. So just to make it dry really quick, I like to use the blow dryer on a warm setting. You can of course let it air dry, but I just wanted it to dry really quickly in this tutorial. And once I'm happy with how the lace is looking, I can go ahead and just brush out my wig, because now I am officially ready to step out the door. And that is literally all it takes to wear a Lux Beauty Essentials wig straight out the box. And this is all without zero glue needed. And so here I'm just showing you the difference that the lace tint made, because in the middle I used the lace tint and on the sides I didn't. So that way you can see that the lace now matches my complexion a lot better because of the lace tint. So that wraps up how I would wear my Lux Beauty Essentials wig straight out the box. And lastly, here is a short clip showing you how my wig looks in the daylight without any glue. I feel so glamorous and so stress-free knowing that this wig literally took me 3 minutes to put on.